Ever find yourself frantically typing notes during a meeting, only to realize you completely missed what was said next? What if you could just focus on the conversation and let AI handle the rest? In this video, we're looking at Notta, an AI note-taker designed to transcribe, summarize, and turn your meetings, interviews, or audio files into actionable steps. Whether you are running online Zoom calls, hosting in-person brainstorms, or importing pre-recorded audio and video files, Notta pulls everything into one central workspace. It supports an impressive 58 languages and features something called Notta Brain. This is an AI chat tool that lets you search across your meeting history to instantly generate deliverables like ready-to-share PowerPoint slides, structured infographics, and clear summaries in just a few seconds. To get started, it's incredibly simple. You just log in through your web browser and you can hit the ground running. If you want to test it out, they currently offer 200 free minutes with full transcription features. Now, let's talk about what users are saying. While we don't have a massive database of independent third-party reviews for this video, the featured case studies on their site show some massive efficiency gains. For example, Dr. Tavish Nanda, a vitreoretinal surgeon, shared that implementing Notta reduced patient door-to-door time by nearly 50%.